What's up, Bear Bull Traders? This is Jeff, and I've been with Bear Bull Traders since December. I actually was trading live before this, and I didn't do so well. So I read Andrew's book over the summer last year. Really liked his strategies, really loved his risk management. So I went ahead and joined Bear Bull Traders, and it has helped me tremendously. So I traded in Sim for close to 5 months, and then I went live. So this is actually going to be my very first live trading recap, and it's on AMD. So I've been waiting as of recent to be a little bit more patient to kind of see the direction that the stock is going in. And I'm normally taking anywhere between 5 to 15 minute orbs. And in the last 3 weeks, I felt like the 5 minute orbs for me personally has been chopping me up. So I've been waiting a little bit more around 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm really practicing on trying to get a really good entry so I can get a good risk reward. So in this trade, in the first 5 10 minutes, you can see that the stock was strong. Stock was very strong, but first 3 minutes, to me, taking this trade here, wow, that's huge. So let me narrow that down a little bit. So taking this, an entry around here to me is just chasing, and I've been burned in the past. So I like to kind of wait around VWAP. Going back looking at this, I probably could have taken it, right around, there, right around here at VWAP, but I waited, for that first 10 to 15 minutes, and I saw on the 15-minute chart, you got this nice, beautiful opening range break up. So at that point, I was really trying to get a really good entry, and I'm trying to get entries right around VWAP or right around the moving averages. And on that 5 minute, I'm noticing that the stock wasn't breaking that 20 moving average, so I know this stock was strong. And if I can get an entry right around VWAP and the moving averages, that's even a bonus. So I was watching this stock, and I was watching level 2, and I noticed on the level 2 that there was huge ask, right around 32 area, and that was my confirmation to take this trade. So I took this trade at 31.95, and my risk was 5 cents. So and that was the break of VWAP. So 5 cent risk, and I knew that this stock was gonna give me a good risk reward. So with that level 2, with the big ask at 32, it cracked 32. I was able to get a partial off at 10 cents. So that was at 32.05, which was my 2 to 1. And then I just sat patiently, at that point, once I take my partial, just like Andrew and Carlos and, a lot of the other Bear Bull traders, I make my stop at break even. So I know that I already have a little bit of profit, and I'm no longer going to go red on this trade. Luckily, this it popped up. I was looking to get at, the high of the day. It got there. I took more partials here, and then it broke 32.20. And at that point, I was looking to get all out because I already made my 2R for the day, and I was really happy with that. So I took a partial here, and then I took a partial at 32.25. At that point, I felt like the stock was pretty extended. Obviously, in hindsight, everything is clear, right? So and then I got all out here. I made my you know my goal for the day. But hindsight, obviously, looking at this stock is, I mean, it's at 32.99 right now, and I took my last partial at, I believe, at 32.25. So this stock is extremely strong. But nonetheless, I made my goal for the day. I'm looking to build on this. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave comments, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you, guys.